may nag-message sa akin. I thought it was the bank. Tapos the bank said na, oh, you have this points. So, avail your points.
You for that?
I fell for that. It was
What was it? Air fryer?
No.
What did you want?
Mine was air fryer. What did you say? Yeah. Okay, wait guys. Kasi that's where the nag-message kasi. I lost my money then.
Oh my god, guys.
Debit. Yeah.
Okay.
Buti I put my card info for credit card. I feel like if debit wala ako kasi naka.
What? Did you open your messages and you were like,
Oo, it was so hindi kasi nakalagay kasi na parang redeem your points. Today is the last day to redeem.
yeah, of course,
So,
I didn't see that.
Today's the last day. Today's the last day. Tapos,
That's so funny.
kinik ko yung link. Number 1 pa naman, sabi, never click link. So, I clicked the link, and then I saw like, oh, I can purchase a vacuum! And then, I wanted a vacuum that time. Kasi yung vacuum ko parang, ang tagal na eh. Uy, sakto vacuum. Tapos, ang laki ng vacuum. Ganun.
Okay.
Tapos yun, yung pag-go ko, pag-submit, you have Tapos iba. Never have I ever na-confess sa crush before. Yeah, na-confess ako sa crush na ayoko siya. Joke lang. Hi, crush. I feel like I deserve someone better. So you're not my crush anymore. Ganun pala yung confession. But I have. I have. Sabi ko, crush ko siya. Yeah. Tapos parang, tapos kunwari, alam na nga, obvious naman. Alam mo yung mga high school na, may sasabihin ako sa'yo, ikaw muna! Tapos biglang, sige, sabay tayo. Ay, hindi, ikaw muna, kasi feeling ko baka iba tayo. Yung mga pag ganun do. Super high school ba? Tapos so yeah, siya nasabi. Tapos namin paano pa, hindi, dapat ikaw kasi ladies first. Ay, hindi, dapat ikaw kasi wala lang. I want you to go first. Char, So yun, I like you, crush kita dati pa. Same! Tapos thinking about it, parang, yuck! Cringe! Well, ganun talaga in life, you go through those kind of moments. Same! I like you too! Lo! Kasi wala lang. Tapos lang, high school sweethearts lang kami. Pero wala. But no. Gusto niya manligaw sa akin. Tapos sabi ko, studies first, hahaha. But yeah, it lasted for like 3 years actually. Na lang, he was there for me, we were there for each other, but just high school sweethearts, ganun. And it was like, very wholesome na, alam mo yun, like, may mga sems ako, tulungan, hindi pala, ako lang pala. If may mga events yun, pupunta siya, ganun. Kasi iba kami ng, same school but ibang branch. Yeah. So parang we don't always see each other. Yeah. 3 years kami na high school sweethearts until like, kasi parang, di ba, so 3 years na. So parang, grabe naman, ganito katagal, ganito lang pa rin tayo. Kasi gusto niya talaga mandigaw sa akin. Tapos, ayun. Sabi ko, nung parang pa-serious na, sabi ko, I really wanna focus on school. Kasi ayoko yung, wala. Baka kala nyo like yung na talaga. Hindi, we're just, wholesome lang na, we admire each other, ganon. Never held hands, never, nothing, jowa vibes, ganon. Parang, lang. There for each other. If may mga event ka, I have events, you have events. Let's support each other. For ganun. Tapos, I realized na, parang 3 years na kami, tapos parang, ayoko, kasi sinabihan ko siya sa kanya na parang, wow, huwag ka muna mag-go, kasi I really wanna focus on school muna. Not that you're a distraction, but kasi iba kasi, di ba, if you have parang, kailangan mo na, commit talaga na, like, as a jowa na, basta, tapos yun, kasi ayoko na, I really don't, not that I'm scared of commitments, pero parang iba pa yung priority ko. Ganon. And sabi ko sa kanya, well, and if ever din naman na may gusto kang iba, okay lang, ganun. Kasi, I mean, I don't wanna keep you hostage or something. So parang, BFF Premium Pro Max. Wala, yung ano na kami, wholesome lang na parang, we like each other. Parang, hello, you want food? Eto. Oh, you have event? Sige, I'll watch. Ganon. Ano lang. Yeah. Parang, we were each other's support people, ganon.
Listen, obviously.
Nakamute lang ako. Naka-unmute na ha. Oh my!
Sabi niya kasi nakamute lang. Hindi daw siya nagsalita, nakamute lang. So sabi ko,
Hindi, kaka-unmute lang ako.
Sir, what?
Bye, Nika.
Of course. Of course. Tinanong mo si Sheena kanina.
Ano sabi ni Sheena?
I don't know.
Search Beanie. Search Beanie online. B-I-N-I.
Beanie_PH.
Ay, naman na ba? No, we're just okay.
Oh, ang humble.
No.
Ay, naman na ba?
Hanapin mo to, ah. Yeah. Sa Coachella. Sorry. Ano ba yun? Sorry. Bye! Bye!
Goodness gracious! Ikaw yung nag-shoplift! You are the one caught stealing on CCTV! Oh my god, no way! I cannot take this anymore, no way!
Cinderella.
Who's this? Who's this? What's the name? Wow, pati yung earring niya, mini. Oh, cute. Wow. Are you a ballerina?
Ilan na nga yung ninong at ninang natin?
Bali 10 na.
Ha? 10? 10 ninang tsaka 10 ninong?
Tsaka yung best man yung kinakapatid ko si Marco.
Oy, sige. Yung matron of honor ko naman, yung pinsan ko, si Aunt Pressy, ha?
Hindi si Mila.
Kaloka ka. Pinakilaman kita nung namili ka ng best man mo? Oh.
Ang asim, promise. Pero paano kumain?
Gitna, hindi. Pero yung side, okay
Actually,
na.
maasim na mapait. Ang pangit. And Aya is enjoying. Did you like it?
Very good.
We're having matcha matcha at Lit Nail Salon.
kind of content do you do?
I sing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not a content creator, but I sing.
Oh, you're a pop singer. Which country?
Philippines.
Philippines. Do you collab with American artists as well?
Not yet.
Who else would you like to collab with?
Who?
Yeah.
Well, I would want to collab with Zara Larson,
Dua
Dua Lipa.
Lipa. Actually, I like Dua Lipa. And who's your favorite artist? Who do you listen to?
Oh, that's hard because I have a lot.
You have a lot.
I love Dua, Lady Gaga.
Okay. Hey, you're such a sweet person.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys! So may papakita akong gift ko kay ate. Matagal ko siyang pinag-ipunan. Tapos, as in, sobrang tagal. Mga almost a year ko siyang pinag-ipunan. Kasi ito hindi, pinakagusto mo talaga to. As in, totoo. As in, gustong-gusto mo talaga to. Totoo. Pikit lang ako. Hindi, pumikit ka. Pumikit ka. Pikit ka yan. Promise. Promise. Promise, pumikit ka. Uy, pumikit pala ka. Hindi nga. Pumikit ka. Ayos ako, napikit na nga ako eh. Okay, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Chana, this is my gift for you. Uy, hindi mo binabalik. Tagal mo hindi binabalik to. Pakita mo sa kanila. Guys, hindi niya to binabalik. Ang tagal-tagal na. Ina-check ko pa siya. Asan ang damit ko?
Sorry po.
Lahat sila. First na lang. Friends. Anong sabon nyo, Debe?
Uy, yung guard kanina, laro siya. Ayaw niya akong papasukin. Sabi niya, ma'am, kunin niyo po muna yung ID niyo. Ay, sabi ko, kuya, grabe ka naman, birthday ko naman. Baka naman pwede. Laro si kuya, ayaw ko papasukin. Sabi ko, birthday niya po. Siya po si Gina.
Happy birthday to you. Whose birthday is that? Kaya nag-glow.
Yung pagloho, yung nakaloho.
Marishi.
Oh. Hello, Saucy Balita. Hindi po, kaninang sumasayaw kasi wala akong na-feel. Tapos sa pagtingin ko, puro dugo na siya. Like tulo levels, pati costume ko. Tapos humingi na ako ng tissue. Tapos nung nakita ko siya, kumapli na siya. Nakita ko rin. Feeling ko po kasi medyo malalim siya. Kaya tumutuloy yung dugo. But I'm fine. I'm still alive, guys.
Meanwhile,
At tatlo! Sino ba tatlo magkakapatid? Ang maganda rin ang tatlo.
Hi, Gwen! Eh, Gwen, may bibigay siya for you. Thank you. Salamat. May flowers. Thank you. Dito po. Salamat. Picture na rin? Huh? Picture. Nahihiya siya. Huwag ka mahiya. Favorite ko rin
Uy, naiilan. Sige nga, happy one.